Hi guys, this is the situation right now. Not only are we experiencing load shedding between stage 6, stage 4 and stage 2, but there's heavy downpour. This is the dam that's outside of our house, and it's overflowing into the dog park. So that area there is a dedicated dog park where you can walk your dogs and they can play. We've had to remove some of the wooden fences because the water is overflowing. You can see they've just moved it to the side, and they're probably going to have to try and move that bench and chair. I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, it's still raining. It's probably going to be completely flooded in the next hour or so. It's been raining non-stop from the night, so I think that's why the water's obviously, built up. Hopefully it stops soon. I know we need the rain, but there's so much of damage being caused by the flooding. Let's try zoom in. Yeah, that's a clearer pic. There's the fences that's been removed. I'm sure in the next hour or so that's going to be completely covered. That's the entrance to the dog park.